Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Walmart Plus membership. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top, we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your items, we have your account, and of course we have your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Walmart Plus membership. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically, to do it guys, what you need to do is sign up, of course, visit the Walmart Plus or use the Walmart app. So you just need to go and type in to Google Walmart Plus. So it will be like this. So Walmart Plus memberships, as you can see, you need to go and click on here. Now, Walmart Plus is a paid membership that helps you save time and money. As you can see here, Walmart Plus, you can see the benefits. For more information, you can go to walmart.com/plus. And here you can go, of course, and when you're there, you can go and, of course, go and create it. So go to walmart.com/plus, and you can go and create your account there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us save your time. So guys, if you can do it, it will be pretty useful for us. That will be, as I said, everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.